Hello and welcome to a warm winter cozy skincare routine and a brightening makeup routine. I woke up this morning to a foot of snow outside. It's cold, it's dry, the weather is terrible, it's gloomy. So I thought to myself, what skincare routine can I do to hydrate my skin, keep it protected from this harsh weather, and what makeup routine can I do to brighten up this gloomy day? So I'm gonna share that with you this morning. The first thing I'm gonna do is a zip routine. I've already rinsed my face and I'm ready to go with the zip. You can reach for any of your skincare devices, but I'm gonna start out with the zip to wake up my skin, get it prepped for the rest of my skincare and makeup, and just perk up my skin and brighten it up for today. Today I'm gonna be doing the filtered finish routine, which takes a little bit of extra time, so I'm gonna speed this video up while I finish up my zip routine. I've rinsed off all the zip serum and now I'm gonna come in with Dermatology's pumpkin mask. This is one of my favorite winter masks. It's got pumpkin enzymes, it's gently warming, it's exfoliating. It is so comforting and hydrating to the skin. It has jojoba beads and it's self-warming, so it's really cozy and it's a great winter mask. It's making a bit of a comeback on social media, so if you haven't tried it, definitely try this mask. You would think with the base of kaolin clay that it might be slightly dehydrating, but it's not at all. I find it's really hydrating for my dry, mature skin. I love this mask. My mask on for about 10 minutes, rinsed it all off, and my skin is fresh and ready to go for my serum steps. I'm going to use the By Wish Trend Propolis Serum. I've been using this all winter long. It is so incredibly hydrating. I had kind of forgotten about it. I used it a year ago and I've kind of rediscovered it for winter skin. I was using it in the summer, but it is so hydrating for winter dry skin. I absolutely love this serum. I'm getting ready to buy another one. I was talking to my friend Allie at Allie's Mature Skin. She loves it too. She's a cosmetic chemist formulator and she said it's one of her favorite hydrating serums. My next serum is going to be the Dew Deliverance Serum. The reason I'm using this and I like it for winter is because it has niacinamide, and niacinamide is really great for skin barrier protection. And it's also really gentle, non-irritating serum and super hydrating and soothing to the skin, especially in the winter months. Next, I'm going to come in with the Dew Instant Angels. This is one of my all-time favorite finds for moisturizers. It came out in 2022. It was at the top of my favorites list. I'm sure if you've been here on my channel, you're sick of me talking about it. It's a really fluffy texture. It sinks right into the skin. Great for all skin types, once again, and super hydrating for dry winter skin. And of course, even in wintertime, you don't want to forget your SPF. I love the Dermatology Untinted Sunscreen. Super hydrating. Once again, it's a combination sunscreen, but it doesn't irritate my skin. Even in winter, I can use it over my eye area with no problem. And you definitely need to use sunscreen in the winter. The UV rays penetrate those clouds, reflect off the snow. So you definitely don't want to forget your SPF in the winter time. And like I said, this is a super hydrating sunscreen, so it also helps with dry skin. As I let the sunscreen dry down, I'm going to come in with a little bit of concealer from Il Makiage. I've been really enjoying this concealer this winter to brighten up the inner corners and the spots where my glasses sit, and the veins, cover up some of the redness in the veins over my mobile lid area. I'm gonna just do a thin layer. Sometimes you can warm it up a little bit. The key to concealer is you want to conceal without causing the concealer to settle in your fine lines. A thinner layer is usually better. Next, I'm gonna come in with some Halo Glow for an all over skin tint. This has been really fun to use as just a brightening skin tint this winter. It's not really meant for an all-over coverage, but I really like it because it just gives a light coverage to our mature skin. It glows things up beautifully without settling in fine lines. It just gives this gorgeous daytime glow, especially on a gloomy winter day. I'm gonna use the Prime Lash Blue Mascara. I've been really enjoying this winter, going back to blue mascara after not using it since the 80s has been really fun. It definitely illuminates blue eyes if you have blue eyes, brings out the blue. And this is a slightly tubing mascara, so you have to work with it pretty quickly, but I haven't noticed any fallout from it. So it's a really nice, pretty mascara that's great. It covers all your little tiny lashes. The formula is thin enough, but like I said, you have to work with it pretty quickly. As it dries down, you can't really put multiple layers on. So if you want multiple layers, you have to kind of do that right away. Next up, I'm gonna brighten up my cheeks even a little more with the Westman Atelier highlighter stick. It's definitely gonna be a glowy day. A little blush on by Hints for a little color. And that's it for a winter skincare hydrating routine and a bright and glowy makeup look. Hope you enjoyed today's video and wishing you all a skintastic day.